भूषण जी, great video, great music as usual, amazing stuff. अगली वीडियो कब निकल रही है आपकी? ये एक मिनट, can I have audio please?
हेलो इट्स फाइन.
अगली वीडियो कब निकल रही है?
चलिए ये तो करने दो यार.
सर ठीक है, मैं अगली की बात करूंगी कि मैं हूँ, कुआं बनने को तैयार हूँ, पेड़ कुछ भी बन सकता हूँ, तितली कुछ भी बनाना है आपको बना सकता हूँ. बताओ अगली कब बन रही है सर?
करेंगे, बताऊंगा.
पक्का बताएंगे आप? ठीक है सर. चलिए, I think he deserves a big round of applause. Great music. Amit could not be here today. So, secondly, I'd also go ahead and love to invite the two boys, the dynamic duo, the घर परिवार में मिल बांट के खाने वाले brothers. Please give them a big round of applause. Amal Malik and Arman Malik. Sir. He's going to beat me for this one. Moving ahead, may I please take this opportunity to please invite Isha Gupta and of course Imran Hashmi. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause please. I'd also like to invite on stage some very important people who have contributed to this brilliant music piece and this brilliant video. Mr. Ajay Kapoor, Mr. Vinod Bhanushali and Mr. Neeraj Roy from Hangama on stage. Please, can I have you on stage please? Can I please have Mr. Ajay Kapoor on stage? So, इमरान, आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस था ये वीडियो शूट करते समय, जैसे मैंने आपको कहा था, रेपुटेशन
नहीं, रेपुटेशन तो हो गया. I'll make up for it in the next film.
हाँ.
With Isha only, don't worry.
अच्छा.
But I mean, first of all, it's an honor कि the team at T Series and Bhushan ji offered me this song. It's a growing trend that's been led by this music company, and I was very happy to be part of what I felt was, when I heard the track a month before we shot it in Goa, I felt this is right up there with my best, with my films. And unfortunately, yes, yeah, I would be more greedy if it was in a film, but yes, it's a music video. But again, one of my favorite tracks, and I think both of them have done a fantastic job at the composition, the singing, the lyrics, and it's a track that I feel stands the test of time. It will. It's a classic that even after 10 or 20 years, it will still sound as contemporary as it sounds today. And coming down to eventually depicting that on screen, a great story written by Sagar, and Amit has directed it fabulously. I feel, we struggle into our films to get the emotion out, but Amit has done a fantastic job of creating that ambience and shooting it in that 6-minute video.
I think the lyrics penned down also are really meaningful and very beautifully done.
It is.
Very beautifully done.
It's done very well, and of course, with Rashmi has written the lyrics, and it's again very soulful. That adds to the touch. And last but not least, Isha, after Jannat and Raz. Unfortunately, I didn't get to romance her in this. She goes off with someone else. But like I said, we'll make up for it.
Isha, what would you like to say about this?
Yeah, I think this was a sweet change that Imran didn't get me in this song, because I think the first 2 films he did. But talking about the video, it's a beautiful song. Imran and I, that's what we were discussing before when we got the uncut scratch that Arman had sung, and there was just like a piano or something in the background, I think, right? Yeah, that he was playing. It was just like we heard it and we were just like, yeah, we have to do it. We have to do it. The voice is soulful. The music is soulful. It's something different. And thanks to T-Series, it's always famous for its great music. But I'm more so thankful to giving us a song like this, like Imran rightly said, which is going to be heard even after 10 years and still going to linger around in your mind, and you'll know the lyrics, you'll know the song, and you'll remember how the video looked like. So thanks to Amit and even thanks to Rashmi for that.
भूषण जी, आप क्या कहेंगे इस पूरे एक्सपीरियंस का?
See, this was my, in late 90s, we used to make albums, and that was owned by the music companies. But later on, it all went to film albums and film songs and all. So I always wanted to start this trend getting the song, because I strongly believe at T-Series, if song sells, it's not just, if it is attached to a film only, then only it will sell. So that's the reason I started this trend, by which I'm getting new talent on board, like Amal and Arman, both. Yes, this is his first single with me, and I was very excited about it initially when I heard the song, and then I sent the song to Imran, and it was just a scratch, and he approved the song. Yes, I want to feature in it just on the scratch. So it goes to me because of the melody, which he rightly said, that song is very melodious, the tune is very melodious, and the lyrics are so good. So he just said yes on just a scratch. There was no rhythm when I sent the track to him.
Amal, my man, how do you manage doing this all the time?
I don't know. I just believe in making good music, something that I connect to, and I feel कि if it can make me feel an emotion, I think everyone will connect to it.
Very sweet. My first question to you, Arman. Hair?
We both did it together only. मतलब.
Acha, he was doing it for you.
No. No, but I thought it's a big day, so might as well just look.
Congratulations on that. I think the song is fantastic. You sound legendary.
Thank
I
you
think
so
you're
much.
going to be the next, the future, the big thing in the country.
Thanks.
Well, great music. Thank you very much. Question and answers are open for the press. Kindly take your name and also the company that you belong to, the newspaper or the news channel before asking a question. Please go ahead.
Check.
Check. हाय इमरान मेरा
Hello.
नाम आलोक है मैं
Hi.
मेरा सवाल आपसे ये कि जब ये डेविड का कॉन्सेप्ट दिया गया था तो एग्जैक्टली आपके जहन में क्या था कि जैसा कि भूषण जी ने बताया कि आपके पास स्क्रैच भेजा गया था
मैंने अमित से कहा था कि यार मेरी रेपुटेशन गई इस गाने के बाद क्योंकि मुझे लड़की नहीं मिलती है और जनरली फिल्मों में मुझे 3 मिनट में मिल जाती है लड़की और 6 मिनट के बाद भी नहीं मिलती है इसमें तो मैंने पहले पूछा कि कैन इट बी चेंज्ड ही सेड नहीं यार दिस इज देन आई फेल्ट विद द वे ही हैड नरेटेड इट टू मी एंड द वे इट्स बीन पेन डाउन आई फेल्ट दैट couldn't be a better music video and a structure for this क्योंकि हर line पर एक thought है it flows through it and एक crescendo है end में music video में so it all works in synergy that was the thought and I felt that it's a brilliant music video that's been directed well the conceptually done which adds to the feel of the song and just enhances it क्योंकि जब आपका visual दिखता है वो अच्छा होता है it just takes the song to another level of course the song is very good and the visual representation is very good also
एंड गाने का निचोड़ अगर मैं मानूं तो है कि इजहार सही टाइम पे और जल्द से जल्द कर देना चाहिए इश्क का
definitely that's the takeaway
तो
for all the boys who have wasted time and who have not said it they should say it right then after seeing this
तो इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद आप और ईशा अगर आप दोनों शेयर करना चाहें कुछ उन पलों को जब आप कभी ऐसा सोचे हो किसी खास इंसान के लिए और
मैंने कहा नहीं
हाँ
मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ आपने मेरी फिल्में नहीं देखी हैं
असल जिंदगी
कहने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है
एंड ईशा आप
I think मिल ही जाते हैं That's what I'm saying. I mean अपने आप से आ जाता है and मैं ज़्यादा हाँ या ना फिर मेरे ऊपर
She's the girl. I think the boy had to struggle a lot.
have you ever proposed to a guy
I've asked
Yes,
him out,
that's-
not proposed.
okay
Really? But आपने अच्छे भी तो नहीं देखे फिर आपने वो मिस कर दिए तो और किसके रहेंगे नहीं personal views I think it's just a mood and I think every girl wakes up to a different mood and then when we are hungry we want to kill the world when we are not hungry then we love everything the moment we are fighting with our lover or our mother or father the world is crashing the moment you see a dog तो आपको ऐसा हो जाता है कि पूरी जिंदगी कुत्ते में तो I think it's one of those things
See a man.
मेरे साथ ऐसा कुछ complicated नहीं चल रहा
ओके भूषण मेरा सवाल आपसे है
जी।
कि ये आपका एसोसिएशन जो इमरान से के साथ है विल इट आल्सो दिस वीडियो इज लुकिंग वेरी गुड very pleasant and very nice so Imran's association will bring a bag full of booty also bag full of booty lot of money
booty as in money
Yeah.
please specify
comment Comment.
एक दूसरा
sounded wrong.
दूसरा visual आ गया था दिमाग में अभी. A bag full of booty.
Money, money.
That also is welcome, but we're talking about money right now.
Comment.
Yes, we have
A
a
lot- yeah.
lot of money from his songs. The mainly was Ashik Banaya Aapne and Jhalak Dikhla Ja. Till today, we sell a lot. So it's, yes, we have. So thank you, Imran.
Thank you, Bhushan ji.
Yeah, hi. This is Faridoon from Bolorangama. Amal, for you, this side. Yeah, beautiful composition.
Thank you.
You've mostly been associated with the dance numbers. I think you've done lesser number of maybe romantic songs per se.
I think I did a song called "Main Hu Hero Tera," which is the love song
which
of
is
the
there,
year.
but
So
mostly you've been
I think-
associated with dance numbers. I think this is something which is like beautifully romantic. In terms of music arrangements, do you feel that somewhere it is quite minimalistic? You are having like minimum instruments, and that is having more
In
impact.
this song specifically, I did that क्योंकि I felt कि जो lyric So I just felt कि what Rashmi Virag had written, those words were so beautiful and so simple कि एक आवाज को ही एक importance मिलनी चाहिए song में. There, underneath the voice there are guitars, there's drums, there are many things, but they've all been underplayed because I feel it's the tune and the melody and the lyrics that should come out. That's why this song is treated a little different from my other songs, the dance tracks, as you're saying.
Isha? Hi, here, straight. Hi. We see you riding a bullet in the movie. So, was that natural to you, or have you taken some specific?
No, I hadn't. I had ride a scooty once a while. So actually, Imran was really generous enough because I think he was just really scared that if I actually will be sitting on it, what's going to happen to him, because I was persistent. I'll only ride the bike and no one else will. So Imran actually just helped me into that. So he taught me how to do that.
Right. And also, as an actress, when it was said that you won't be romancing Imran in this video, what was your feeling like?
I was like, चलिए पहली तो बार तो हो चुका है तो कोई बात नहीं चलेगा.
वहीं से आया हूँ मैं. अभी रात को वहाँ पे शूटिंग ले जाऊँगा. अभी ख़त्म हो जाएगा दिसंबर में और रिलीज़ मई 13 को है. अभी बहुत सारी फिल्में हैं, स्क्रिप्ट्स आ रही हैं, तो कोई जब ग्रीन लिट होता है प्रोजेक्ट, जब फ्लोर पे जाने जब शुरू होती है शूटिंग, तभी मैं बात करता हूँ उसके बारे में. इट्स ऑल वेरी प्रीमेच्योर. दैट्स विद देम अगेन. जो हम जनवरी में जाने वाले हैं, ठंड में -15 डिग्रीज में रोमानिया में शूट करने वाले हैं. सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट. इट्स गोना बी फन. सो स्ट्रेट स्केड्यूल इन रोमानिया. Actually, casting के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है, honestly. I don't know who else is in the film, the rest of the cast and the crew. क्योंकि मैं actually shoot कर रहा था अजहर के लिए for the past almost 3-4 months. और अभी दिसंबर में हम prep शुरू करेंगे उसका.
Imran, there has been a lot of disappointment in the fact that you have not kissed in the video. You're saying that it would be amply compensated in the next movie. Would that be Azhar? Would there be any... No.
I think डाली देते हैं हम लोग.
No, on a serious note, since it's a biopic, would there be any romance? How would the...
Biopics people kiss, yeah.
So we will see Azhar
I'm
kiss.
sure Azhar also has.
So we will see Azhar kiss on screen.
So obviously biopic actually lends itself more into that. तो ऐड कर देंगे उसमें, means compensate कर देंगे. अभी बाकी है, 15 दिन बाकी हैं.
You mean to say
Schedule
it's
के.
not there?
No, it's there.
It's
We've
there.
shot. We'll compensate even more now.
Oh.
After I had the discussion right now about the compensation, we'll compensate more.
इमरान अभी हालांकि सेंसरशिप ने इसको किसिस को बैन किया है, आप तो किसिस के लिए जाने जाते हैं, तो आपका क्या टेक है इसके ऊपर?
Well, बैन नहीं किया, एक लेंथ जो उन्होंने काटी थी जेम्स बॉन्ड में. That's again, you know, they have their rules and regulations and जिस तरह करते हैं. मुझे पता नहीं, we'll get to that when my film eventually goes for censorship. उस पर डिबेट obviously शुरू होगा, and उससे पहले बहुत सारी फिल्में आने वाली हैं. So there are lot of people against the fact that it's been snipped और इसका कोई logic नहीं है. I also for one feel that it's going back to the dark ages. We're not taking steps forward. हमारी society evolve हो रही है. Unabashedly, we are, you know, the kind of cinema we're exposed to in these times, international films, Hollywood films, जो television पे आता है, that is progressing, and we are making sure Bollywood regresses, which is, I think, it's very detrimental for our industry. So, जब आपका एक censorship का एक law होता है कि ठीक है एक certificate film है, आपको दे दीजिए उसको एक certificate, but then don't snip out things for the sake of snipping it off. I don't understand that logic. So hopefully it will be revised in the next couple of months, and we'll get to some kind of positive reform.
Imran here.
Hi.
Abhi, one last question, please.
Hi, Isha. Hi, Imran here. Hello. Very nice song. Isha, you're looking very beautiful in the video. Yeah, I would like to ask you, there is a song is a message. Stories and love stories don't. So in your life, there is any love story still, है ऐसा कुछ जो आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे? अभी तक है?
मेरी तो शादी हो गई है, तो वही है, the entire journey. So you want to share anything? Your boyfriend, any current boyfriend that you have?
Have you been deserted anytime? Imran, have you been deserted anytime?
I just said that right now. Have you seen my films?
Yeah. You said.
No, deserted as in had
I'm
my
not
heart
talking in
trampled
terms
on.
of real. I'm talking in terms of real.
Have my heart been trampled on? Is that, I don't know what you mean by that.
Have you been deserted in real? Not, I don't think so.
No, but the meaning of desert is what I'm asking. Have my heart been trampled on by a girl in a relationship where I wanted to say something and she went out with someone else?
Have you been rejected, and you couldn't profess your love,
I think these things happen with most of us in college.
How old were you then?
You're seeming less like a journalist and more like a shrink. Just going to the deep. How do you feel about it?
How do you feel about it?
I don't know, I must have been, I have no memory in the sense, I don't know what age it was. I think I must have been 15, 14. But I feel that every man should get their heart trampled on at least once in their life. It's a learning experience. No, I genuinely feel that. Because there's a lesson learned with that pain. A, don't take the girl for granted. And secondly, say it at the right time.
But what if it happens
and say it fast. Sorry?
Keeps happening constantly then?
Then you need counseling. then जाके मेरी फिल्म देख लेना, कुछ सीख मिल जाएगी.
ये होस्ट है या दोस्त है या क्या है ये?
You've been in that situation? Then see my films, yeah. Then you'll get some.
More like action. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for being a part of this lovely event.
आकाशी भाई खत्म हो रहा है अभी हो रहा है
ये
लेना है तो ले सकते हो, लेना है तो ले सकते हो। हर महीने 3-4 ठीक है, जा फिर। नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, लेकर आऊँगा।
नहीं चिप मिट्टू चिप नहीं है ना ये।
अच्छा
हो जाएगा। 6x6 चलता है क्या? चलो चिप चिप है ना, किसी के पास नहीं तो ये लगेगा।
हो गया ना?
ये भाई तेरा कैमरे से भाई को ट्रांसफर।
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.